Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Do you want to get rid of wrinkles, shrink your pores, and address other signs of aging on your face? Aging causes loosening and sagging of facial muscles on the skin. Every woman in the world wants perpetually youthful skin. This isn't possible as aging is a part of our lives, but I have an amazing remedy for you today that's going to delay the aging process on your face at the very least. This remedy is better than Botox, which can be costly and painful. With this face mask, looking younger isn't going to cost too much, and it will also help you lose a few years off of your face. You will look much younger than you ever have imagined. Break an egg into a bowl and separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Beat the egg white until it starts to foam. Add a half a teaspoon of lemon juice and a half a teaspoon of coconut oil to it and mix it well. Wash your face with soap and lukewarm water and pat dry. Use your fingers to apply the mask to your face. Cover your entire face with the mask and massage it into your skin in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave the mask on and let it work its magic for 15 minutes. Egg whites have astringent properties that help shrink the pores by tightening the skin. Egg whites are rich in protein and skin toning properties and promote wrinkle-free skin. They're also well known for tightening the skin, and you can experience this effect firsthand when you put an egg white mask on your face. Egg white lifts up sagging cheeks and crinkling skin around the eyes. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant for neutralizing free radicals and boosting collagen production. Coconut oil is composed primarily of nourishing fatty acids and is especially high in lauric acid. It also contains vitamin E and healthy fats, which help to make the skin smooth. After 15 minutes, wash your face with soap and water and pat dry. Apply your favorite moisturizer and a sunscreen as well. The effects of this mask are noticeable almost instantly, as the mask will make wrinkles, blemishes, and pimples fade away. For best results, repeat this procedure 3 times a week and enjoy your younger, smoother skin. I hope you liked my video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!